Hey guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's excellent adventure.
And Willow. We are here at Delaware State Park in Delaware, Ohio. It's kind of a last minute trip this weekend.
Yep, we're here with Beryl, Barry and Cheryl, Mike and Joni from Those Who Glamp Together, and we're just hanging out for the weekend.
Yeah, it's good to catch up with some old friends we hadn't seen in a while. So
yeah, we'll explore the park just a little bit, get a couple walks in, and just relax and hang out. So we'll show you around a little bit.
Yes, and they do actually have some new shower houses here, which are really nice.
Yeah, anxious to check those out.
Yeah.
Brand new shower house. So last time we were here was about two and a half years ago, and it was really old. So they did a new one, and we'll show that to you guys.
Yeah. So we'll catch you at the end.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Looking for fun, I met the devil at the door. He said, come on, son, tell me what's wrong. This is the home you've been looking for. So I shook his hand and laid my head. That was the closest to hell I'd ever been. I'd like to see your sin, but I don't think you'd ever show it. Don't wanna give up your stone. I'd keep an open mind, 'cause yours is closed and blind, and you think that you can really see. Keep dreaming those dreams. Tommy, don't you believe you're no different than me? Tommy, your friend's a thief, and he's no different than the priest. Closest to heaven I've ever been. I'd like to see your sin, but I don't think you'd ever show it. Don't wanna give up your stone. I'd keep an open mind, 'cause yours is closed and blind, and you think that you can really see. You'd ever show it. Don't wanna give up your stone. Yeah, I'd keep an open mind, 'cause yours is closed and blind, and you think that you can really see. Oh, you don't know a damn thing about me. I'll keep dreaming those dreams. I'm not saying they should put you in jail, but if they're smart, it'll be without bail. I'm not saying they should put you in jail, but if they're smart, it'll be without bail. I'm not saying they should put you in jail, but if they're smart, if they're smart. I just wanna get out of the trouble I'm in. Your space poison, but I've got the will to live. Your space poison, but I've got the will to live. But I've got the will to live. But I got the will to live.
Well, that's a wrap. We had a good weekend with some really good friends here. We just really hung out and relaxed and enjoyed some good company.
Yeah, it was fun. You don't have to go and explore and do a ton of stuff the weekend. You can relax sometimes.
Right, yeah, which is a little change for us because we do so much
Yeah.
exploring little towns and stuff, but this was nice just to relax and hang out with friends. Nice morning yesterday, but then it was rainy, so we were inside for a while.
Rain turned to ice, and now
Yes.
there's a shell on everything.
Yeah, very icy out. But again, we always make the best of it.
Yeah.
That's what you got to do. We enjoyed spending some time with Beryl, Barry, and Cheryl. So good to see you guys. Good to see you out and about, Cheryl. Those who glamped together, Mike and Joni. Great to see you guys. If you don't follow them, make sure you check them out. They're a lot of fun.
Yeah, I'll put a link below for their YouTube page.
Yeah.
Nice park. I like.
Yeah.
We'll have to come here in the summer.
Yeah, we do. We've never been here in the summer. We were here once in the fall a couple years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Really nice sites. A lot of cul-de-sac circles, and just all the sites are really nice. It would be a really good summer.
They are
spot.
investing some money into this place. They redid a bunch of these bathrooms and shower houses.
Yeah.
They put a new little mini golf course in.
A nice dog park.
Yeah, some of the handicap sites, they've redone those. With,
Yeah, those are really nice.
Nice concrete pads
And it
and
looks
fire
like-
pits. And,
Yeah, it looks
Yeah.
like there's quite a few of them too.
yeah, so they're doing some upgrades, which is nice to see.
Yep.
And other than that,
And the train in the background.
yeah, we're going to take a slow ride home.
Yeah.
I have a feeling it's going to be a little slippery.
Yep. But I guess that's it. So keep it safe in your travels.
Keep between the mustard and the mayo.
Bye.
Bye.